Hello. Today I'm going to show you how, using StarDock, my computer went from this to this. See the mouse? It's pretty awesome. And watch what happens when I double click. Everything goes away, and when I double click again, it comes back. Thank Fences for that. Well, using StarDock and all of its stuff, well, not all of it, but some of it, I made my computer look like a Mac. Notice the top. The little bar up there. I used object bar for that. Yeah. And then look at the bottom of my screen. Get a little dock. I used RK Launcher for that. I didn't download Object Dock, but you should if you want to have the best experience. This RK Launcher is just really small, that's why I downloaded it. Don't have that much space on my hard drive. My boot screen, when I start up my computer, and when I press Control-Alt-Delete, is pretty much the same as my background, the Mac OS X Leopard, except I can't show it right now because Hypercam doesn't record that. I don't know why. Now onto the cursor part. I use Cursor Effects, which according to me is by far the best cursor program there is. A lot better than Cursor Mania. As you can see, I changed my cursor in this because it won't let me change my cursor without closing Hypercam, so it kind of sucks. I'm going to show you a little bit about it. There's a bunch of cursors there. Just pick a random one, Drop Plus, one of my favorites. Click on the magnifying glass, it shows you all the stuff. You can pause the video and look at all the things if you want, but that's your choice. Now for RK Launcher, that's the dock on the bottom. Got a bunch of crap over here. Yeah, RK Launcher is pretty cool and pretty small. You can put your own files into the icons, that's why I got all these. I'm pretty sure you can do bitmaps, but I'm not sure. But I know that you can do icon files. All these are icons, so I'm not sure about the bitmap. Yeah. And yeah, you can, here's the launch thing. It's got some stuff in it. There's themes. I haven't downloaded any themes yet, but that's pretty much it. It's a dock. And you can rename the stuff, and here I'll choose that one. So you can minimize and maximize and all that stuff and rename it and choose what it opens, and pretty awesome. Yeah, here, Icon Packager doesn't really work on, for some reason it opens up an internet browser. So I'm going to show you Sound Packager. I didn't buy it. So there's different sound themes. No, I'm not going to do that. Don't apply. Well, there's Aquarium. If it has the blue and the red ones, then it means it has a sound file there. But if it's like this one, doesn't have anything there, it's no sound. Close. Darn it. And then there's Football. Got some sweet things. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the packagers. Now you see that bar on the top of my screen, the one that looks like a Mac. There's a little apple over here, but it doesn't show it because it's on the registered Hypercam thing. Here's Object Bar. You can change the skin. I'm going to do that now, I guess. Let's change it to Windows XP. There it is, it looks like Windows XP now. I'm going to change back to Mac again. And you can change the color for the text. Let's try changing it to red. Notice the color change it back to black. Oops. Okay. You can choose to restrict it, the size, so it only goes a certain size. Or you can not restrict it. Make it as big as you want. And then you can make it so you can change the width. You right click and undock. Oh, what the heck. You can move it around and make it smaller so you can move it anywhere. Oh, you can see the apple now. Oh, come on. There, and I'll dock it back up. Okay. You can make it transparent. Notice it's getting transparent. Now it's almost invisible. Well, we're almost done. Let's do fences and show you a little bit about that. That's how I got these things down here. Yeah. You can customize layout, or you can do that and that. Pretty much anything. Yeah, I'll just keep it down there. Customize and choose how transparent it is. You can make it completely transparent so it doesn't look like it, so it looks like it's not even there anymore. You can make it full colored. However, it's slightly transparent. You can make it darker so it looks black, or lighter so it's completely red. And then, or whatever color you add. You can make it any color you want. I'm gonna keep mine blue for now. Keep it that for a while. A little more transparent. And saturation, make it look white, or how much color is applied. You can outline or not outline, whichever one you choose.